Are you tired of carrying around multiple bank cards and still feeling like you're missing out on benefits? What if I told you there's a card that simplifies your finances while offering a world of rewards, from cashback to investment opportunities? I'm talking about Vivid, and in this video, we're diving deep into the question everyone's asking: which Vivid card should I get? Vivid isn't just another digital bank. It's a financial platform that's been making waves across Europe, and for a good reason. The core of their offering revolves around two main cards, the Vivid Standard card and the Vivid Prime card. Now, you might be thinking, a standard and a premium card, what's the big deal? But trust me, the differences are significant, and choosing the right one for you can unlock some serious financial potential. Let's start with the Vivid Standard card. This is their free offering, and for a free card, it's surprisingly feature-rich. It's a Visa debit card, and it comes with a free German IBAN account, which is a huge plus for anyone living or working in the EU. You get unlimited free payments in over 150 currencies, which is fantastic for travelers. The card also offers some decent cashback on selected brands, and you can even open pockets, sub-accounts that allow you to organize your money for different goals, like saving for a holiday or a new gadget. For many people, the Vivid Standard card is more than enough. It's a solid, no-frills option that gives you all the essential tools you need to manage your money digitally. But what if you want more? What if you want to turbocharge your savings, your rewards, and your overall financial experience? That's where the Vivid Prime card comes in. This is their premium subscription, and for a monthly fee, it unlocks a whole new level of benefits. The first major upgrade is the cashback program. While the Standard card offers some cashback, the Prime card supercharges it. You get enhanced cashback rates on a wider range of brands and services. We're talking about up to 10% cashback on certain popular merchants, which can add up to a significant amount of money over time. But here's the kicker: the cashback you earn is invested directly into stocks or cryptocurrencies of your choice. So, instead of just getting a few dollars back in your account, your rewards are working for you, growing your wealth passively. Beyond the cashback, the Vivid Prime card offers better currency exchange rates. You get unlimited free withdrawals from ATMs worldwide, a huge perk for frequent travelers. And you also get access to Vivid's investment features, including commission-free trading in stocks and ETFs. This means you can build a diversified portfolio without worrying about expensive fees eating into your returns. The Prime card also gives you a metal card, which, let's be honest, just looks and feels premium. It's a small detail, but it adds to the overall experience. So, how do you decide which one is right for you? It really comes down to your financial habits and goals. If you're looking for a simple, reliable digital bank account with some cool features and you don't mind a basic cashback program, the Vivid Standard card is a fantastic choice. It's free, it works great, and it's a great entry point into the world of digital banking. However, if you're serious about maximizing your rewards, you travel frequently, and you want to start building your investment portfolio without the hassle, the Vivid Prime card is an excellent investment. The monthly fee is easily offset by the enhanced cashback, the free ATM withdrawals, and the commission-free trading. Think of it not as a cost, but as an investment in your own financial future. Ultimately, the choice is yours. Both cards offer a compelling package, but they cater to different needs. The Vivid Standard is the perfect starting point, while the Vivid Prime is for those who are ready to take their finances to the next level. So, which card will you choose to empower your financial journey? With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.